For secure storage of your Form E PDF and associated documents, you need to connect your Dropbox account to Form E Navigator. Simply click the Connect to Dropbox button below, which will take you to the Dropbox login. Now enter your email address. Then enter your password. You now see the standard Connect to Dropbox screen. You just need to click Continue. The next screen sets permissions to allow your documents to be securely stored in your personal Dropbox folder, where only you have access to them. Click Allow. At the Set up a Passkey screen, click Set up Later, as this is not required. Your account has now been connected and ready for secure document storage. When you are ready to start uploading documents, you will click the Upload to Dropbox button. This will open the document upload screen.